How to use Pinterest app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Pinterest application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now the home screen will look something like this. This is based on what you feel is more your vibe over here, so that you can select while you were creating an account. So here you will have different menus over here at the bottom of the screen. From this home screen, you can tap on the search bar over here as well. So here you can search for ideas like maybe something like phone home screen or something like that, and you'll be able to see different home screens that you can have probably on your phone. Then you can tap on the plus icon, which is generally start creating option. So you can either create a pin, collage, or a board. Next, you can tap on this message or inbox option where you can get different updates, or you can also have some inbox over here. You can chat with different friends as well. Then you can tap on your profile over here at the very end and you can see the pins that you have created or boards that you have created over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.